Hello, everybody. How are you today? This is Lisa Vargas from the Internet Marketing Life, and I wanted to just make a short video today because I'm so excited. I just got done creating like my very first product promotion, and I'm really excited to say that it's done, it's completed. It took me a while, but I figured all the pieces of the puzzle out and got it up and running. And I'll talk about that with you guys as we go along. But today, out of this entire process, the hardest part for me was creating bonuses and actually figuring out what I was going to give away for people who purchase my product. So here I want to mention that you guys will quickly learn the name of the game, and I think I mentioned this before, is that in the affiliate marketing game, remember, everybody is promoting the same product that you are. So the, what should I say? The gold is in the bonuses that you can offer, right? Now, a lot of people, you'll hear as you get involved, a lot of people will even say, oh, well, you could just go to a PLR product store and, download a bunch of ebooks and give those away. And yes, you can. There's nothing wrong with that. But I also talk about that in a couple places that I've written about that, on how that can actually hurt you as well. Because think about that as well. There's also thousands of people going and doing the same strategy that you are. They're actually going to the PLR stores, private label rights, for those of you who don't understand that yet, who are really new to this game. But they're also doing that. They're also going to the private label stores, and they're also buying the same ebook that you're buying. So in a sense, you're not making the incentive any greater for your viewer or your reader of your blog, or however that person found your affiliate offer. You're not making it any more, you're not incentivizing them anymore to buy from you using your affiliate link than you are from somebody else, right? So that is the topic for today. And there's one thing I drill in your head through all of this training that I'm going to be doing, and all these epiphanies that I have throughout my journey towards replacing my income, right? I told you from the very beginning, I'm not a guru. I'm just going to be telling you everything that I'm doing in the beginning. So you're really going to see, I'm like the case study, right? I'm the case study. Can't get any worse than me. I'm at the very bottom. So if you want to find out how my journey works out and you're just curious, because a lot of people are like, oh, I don't know if I can do this. I have a full-time job. I'm busy, but maybe I can work a couple hours a night. Well, guess what? I have a full-time job too right now. I've got a million things going on, but I do find time to do this when I can. And that's why I want to share with you my journey, because I think I'm going to relate to a lot of you beginners out there. And, as you're starting your process. So anyways, let's get right into this. So I want to talk about how you can create your own custom bonuses. And that is the key to the affiliate game. Because remember, you want to create a unique product for yourself. So if, any kind of talents that you have, anything like that, if you're good at writing, that's awesome. If you're good at making videos, that's going to be great. You're going to need that, because you are trying to differentiate yourself, again, from all the other affiliate offers out there. Okay, so what I want to do is just quickly go through a list that I put together, and if I could get to the next screen. So here's some ideas for you, and I'll talk about each of them. Let's go through them really quick. So you can do how-to videos related to the product you are promoting. You can rewrite private label rights, articles, and ebooks. We'll talk more about that. Gather a list of blog posts and compile them into an easy, accessible format. You can do checklists. People love checklists, okay? They're easy to digest. How to make money using the product your viewers about to purchase. That's a good one. Tutorials on how to properly use the product you are promoting. Case studies. Show your viewers how the product has helped yourself make money, right? That would be logical. And then cliff note versions of things like PDF books, or doesn't even have to be that. It can be, Robert Kiyosaki, or Robert Kiyosaki books, or what's that one? 7 Habits of Highly Successful People. You can do stuff like that, right? So let's talk about each one of these, because I don't have a big slide presentation for you guys today. This is just the things that I've learned quickly, and I want you to realize how important they are when you're first getting started, okay? So let's start with the first one, how-to videos relating to the product you're promoting. What you can do is, for example, I'm going to give you the example of the product that I'm promoting because it's the first one I finally finished and I did very well with, and I'm actually ranking on YouTube on the first page of YouTube. I'm ranking pretty high, and because I learned how to do that as well, and I actually have a free bonus giveaway on how to rank in YouTube, and I'm giving you everything I know so right now, and I did those things and it got me to the first couple spots. So anyhow, how-to videos relating to the product that you're promoting. So I'm promoting the YouTube ads formula. It's a great product. If you guys want to get it, you can get it because I have some really cool bonuses, but you'll see it in the link down below this video. But it's my first promotion. I finished it. It's done. Got everything done. But you'll notice you can create videos that are related to that particular product. Anything that your viewer is going to get a benefit from. So maybe you're already good at doing YouTube marketing. I'm not, so I'm just starting my journey, but I love the YouTube ads formula. So I was very happy to promote it, and I will continue to promote it. But if you are good at that, you can do some how-to videos for your exclusive bonuses, right? For your custom bonuses. So do those, because you always want to make sure, guys, there's a rule of thumb. Whatever product you're promoting, your bonuses have to be related to that product, okay? Or else it's going to be way out of whack and it's just not going to make any sense, right? Because you're trying to stack value on top of the product you're promoting. Let's go to the second one, rewrite PLR articles and ebooks. So you heard me mention in the beginning, a lot of newbies will go out there and they'll just start downloading a bunch of PLR articles and go, oh, cool, this is easy. I don't have to write anything. I don't have to do any work, right? And you'll even hear like the gurus trying to tell you like, oh, that's all you have to do, right? Well, guys, I'm going to tell you, I've worked hours and hours and hours and hours and hours on this for the past 3 months. Now, I'll be honest, I have a full-time job, but I'm really, really lucky because I can work from home, and it's actually in the digital marketing space. And I'm actually going out and talking with clients about internet marketing, so I'm pretty well versed on it. I've been doing this for the past 10 years. So I have the freedom where I can work on this kind of stuff at home, my affiliate stuff. But rewriting PLR articles gets you a lot of good practice, because a lot of those PLR articles, you have to be careful, is they're older, right? Everybody uses them. So you need to make sure that if you're going to download PLR articles and ebooks, that you can rewrite them in your own wording. Because remember, you're putting out there stuff that is going to be in your name, and if it's not good, or if somebody else, tons of other people, affiliates, are using that same product you're just going to look like another affiliate, right? So rewrite stuff. You can even go on Fiverr. Okay, if you guys haven't heard of Fiverr, you can go on Fiverr.com. And I have a link to Fiverr below if you want it, if you don't know what that is. Go to Fiverr.com and have them rewrite it for you. They would love to do that for you. Okay, great idea. You can find some really cheap people to do that. Gather a list of blog posts and compile them into an easy, accessible format. I got this idea, I don't know where it was from. I think I got it from somewhere on ClickFunnels or something, but they have such good material on the ClickFunnels blog. It's just hard sometimes to put it into words so that I can make you guys understand it. So somebody had a video or somewhere I watched and said one of the best giveaways you can do is to compile a list of some of your favorite articles or blog posts that you found valuable that took your business from point A to point B, right? Or whatever that jump was you were trying to get to, and put those into a compilation and give those away. But you have to make sure, since you didn't write it, you have to make sure you're referencing the, if I do that, you have to reference the person who wrote the article, and then I usually put a link in the say, hey, to refer back to the article, click here. But you could do something like the 5 best blog posts that took me from making $100 a day or $100 a month to $1,000 a month, right? Something like that. Very, very cool. So you can do that. Checklist, really, really good. Checklists are great. They're easily digestible. People need stuff fast. They want it now, right? They don't want ebooks are kind of I'll tell you that one thing that one hint too, guys. Ebooks are a little tough to digest. I have to get better at that because I tend to like gravitate towards them because they're easier because you can write them. But I'm going to try to start doing more videos. So, because videos right now, video training, video courses, right? Online video courses is the hot thing right now. So that's what I'm going to be doing a lot of research on. I am going to talk about that because I have a free plugin that you guys can use that I've figured out how to use where you can host your free videos, and it's really, really awesome. You can do a free video course. You don't have to pay all this money that you see to do it. So I'll have another video about that. But anyways, another idea is how to make money using the product your viewer is about to purchase. So one of the things you can't do is you can't be fake in this business. And that's exactly what I've been telling you guys all since wherever you found me. If this is the first time you found me, I'm not a guru. I'm not going to try to pretend to be. The reason you're here and maybe the reason you like this page is you want to know if there's somebody like you. A lot of times, and whether, and if it's really possible, because a lot of times, I haven't really seen anybody out there when I first started. All you see is the gurus now, right? And where they are now. So they're millionaire. There's the top, right? There's the top like 1% of the guys out there that'll sell probably 80% of the products, right? And then there's all the rest of us trying to get a portion of the pie, right? So the problem is you never see somebody like me who's just starting out, and to follow my journey. I don't care if that's a year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now. How cool is it going to be? You guys see me and you remember, you're going, oh my gosh, that girl, she was making nothing. She was at a full-time job and now she's making 10 grand a month, right? Or whatever it is. So that's what this whole journey is about. So like it or not, you don't have to follow me, but everything that I learn as a beginner, you're going to have to go through it. You're going to have to go through it. So you might as well learn and see what I'm going through and the process that I'm getting through it. So anyways, so how to make money using the product your viewer is about to purchase. That's a good one. Do a tutorial on how to properly use the product you're promoting. The reason I put that in there is, let me tell you, when I first started about 3 months ago, I bought a ton of products from the gurus, right? Because they're like, oh, how to drive millions of traffic, people to your website, and how to do this and how to do that, and blah, 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 blah. And you're so excited as a beginner, right? You're just in this frenzy and you're like buying. And you'll see in one of my, either my emails or one of my little essential tools or ebooks I wrote, I say, hurry up and get through the shiny object syndrome fast because it'll make you go broke. I had to actually shut people out. Like, I don't read those emails anymore. I only reason I subscribe to big guru affiliate marketers emails is because I want to learn from their email automation system, and you should too. And I don't delete the emails. I just slide through them on my mobile phone. I just slide, so it looks like it's read, but I don't even read them. And then if I go back to them, I want to go back to them and understand how they're doing. And we'll talk about email automation because that's a big thing. And I've learned a lot there so far too as well, because already I've written a couple email automation systems. But anyways, back to this, tutorials on how to properly use the product you're promoting. Again, I brought a bunch of products. That's where I was going with that. I bought a bunch of products and I bought them and then I just like crashed and burned because it just was like, this is not how they were advertising. I don't like this. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, right? Tutorials are great. So then there's case studies. I put case studies because this is a little tricky, but it depends on the product. You can sometimes find case studies or you can do your own case study. Once you buy the product, whatever it is, whether it's a software, whether it's a weight loss product, whether it's, whatever it is, do a case study on yourself. If it's a weight loss product, buy the product and actually show people. You may not be able to promote the product until after you concluded the case study. But if it's a weight loss product, show how you bought this product and it promises, 10 pounds of weight loss in 1 week or 2 weeks or whatever, and test it out, see if it works, and give that case study away. People love that stuff, right? So case studies are really good, very unique. Show your viewers how the product has helped yourself make money. Again, that's kind of like how to make money using the product your viewer is about to purchase, but it's a little bit different because you can actually show it's more like a case study. Again, you can use that product, show images like what do you call them, dollar amounts, so where you had 0 and now you made $150 from it that first week or whatever it is. Okay, you can do stuff like that. And then the Cliff Note versions. Cliff Notes are cool. I got this idea again from a ClickFunnels. Somebody was marketing to me. I think it was the Cliff Note versions of the 2019 Funnel Hackers Live event, and I think it's an affiliate product. I haven't checked. I haven't seen it since then, but it got me thinking that's a really good idea because I almost bought it because I would love to see the Funnel Hackers Live one day. But anyways, if you're not sure what ClickFunnels is either, guys, you can see a link below. There's 14-day free trial down there if you need a funnel builder. You probably already got one, or maybe you're really, really new and you're trying to figure out which one to use. Anyways, so there's all kinds of good stuff, but again, make the bottom line for this video is make sure your bonuses, try so hard in the beginning to make sure your bonuses are unique and not just downloaded from a PLR site, okay? I guarantee you, you will do so much better and you will get so much better, higher conversion rates. So, all right, guys, thanks for joining me. Until next time, adios.